This like is just the most like extra, like I scare myself honestly when I like start recording. I'm like, oh god. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this eye look for you. It's pretty fun, it's kind of a crazy one, but I will be using some Morphe palettes, so definitely stay tuned for that. Also, this is part one of a two-part video. So the first part is just the eyes, and then the second part will be the face, just because I'm doing a first impression on the Tarte Shape tape foundation. So I'll be going through and like putting it on my face for the first time and all that stuff and commentating how that goes. But yeah, so definitely stay tuned if you want to see how I accomplish this look. This took me a really long time, so we'll see how this goes. So I did this accidentally off camera. So for like a base on my lid, I used just the Tarte Shape tape. I think this is what I like normally use, but just want to let you guys know that I just like put that onto the lid and then kind of spread it around with my my fingertip, and then I just go and just like blend over just to like get it like all patted into the skin. This like works as a really good eye primer though. Like the product just really sticks to it, so that's why I like using it. But anyways, so we're going first out of, what is this one? The 3502, wow. I feel like I just failed like the beauty community not knowing what this one was called. Okay, anyways, so I'm just going in with this blending brush that I have. And try not to get too crazy with this. So start with right in the middle of your crease and just like very little strokes going back and forth, and then slowly blending it down to the inner and outer corner. Don't get too overzealous and like blend all the way up here. Really want it to control in like the very crease area. It's a very bright color, so this is like the really bright, like reddish pink. Well, it looks red kind of in there, but it's very pink color that's in this palette. You probably know which one I'm doing. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with the 35B palette with the orange color, which I will pop up here. I'm using this kind of flatter blending brush. This is the Flawless All Over Shadow brush. That's why it's flatter. But I'm gonna be using this. And we're just gonna put a pop of orange in this outer spot. You can kind of like blend this down a little bit too. So next, we're going to put some concealer back onto the lid, and I'm going back in with that Shape tape. This one I'm using is Fair Neutral. I don't know if I said that earlier or not, but that is what it is. And I'm taking just this flat brush that I have from Tarte, and it doesn't have a name on it, but any flat brush, just kind of like that will do. But I'm going to start just in the middle here and just kind of stamp a circular shape, half circle shape. Make sure you get the concealer all the way down to your lash line. Alright, it doesn't have to be completely perfect because we can go in and fix it, but try to just get it as close as you can. Alright, so I'm going to be using just a short bristled brush from Eco Tools, and I'll be going in with this navy color from the 35B palette. And we'll be just packing this pigment on the lid. Okay, I'm just gonna take this all over shadow brush that I was using earlier just to kind of fix. I just kind of got some concealer up here that I gotta blend back out. First, I'm going to go in with liner, so I'm using this Stila Stay All Day liquid liner that I always use. Now I'm gonna go in with the black, and I'm just gonna use the same brush I was using with the navy. And we're gonna pack this into the corner. And then I'm gonna just drag this up into my crease. I'm blending the liner into the black shadow so it kind of looks seamless. Then I'm using just a tiny blending brush to blend this out. And it might take you just like a little bit of adding. It's kind of a little bit of a tedious process, but just add a little bit, blend it out, add a little bit, blend it out. Alright, and then I'm going to add a little bit more orange on top of this black up here, just to blend it in a little bit better. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit more concealer, just to clean this up a little bit. Alright, and then I want to clean that up because I'm going to add more pink to blend it down a little bit. So going back into that 3502 palette. So next, I'm going to go and add a little bit on the lid of this Stila Magnificent Metals in Sunset Cove. So it's this guy right here. And then there's the name. This stuff is so pretty, and it's like, it looks different on like different shadows, so it's really fun to use. I'm going to use this little tiny brush I have though. It's actually from one of my Anastasia palettes, but it's just like a nice little brush. And I'm just going to take a little bit off of this, because you don't need a lot. And then we're gonna apply this in the middle of the lid. Try not to get any on your liner, just to keep that a nice like solid line. So I'm gonna go in with the navy blue from the 35B palette. And we're going to drag that all over our bottom lash line. And we're gonna kind of blend that up into the dark up here. Alright, and then we're gonna take the this brush again from the All Over Shadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with some orange. And then I'm also gonna add just a little bit of the pink color too, down here. Alright, and then going in with my Champagne Pop highlighter from Becca, so this guy right here. I'm going to take this small shadow brush from It Cosmetics, and this is going into my corner, inner corner, and I'm dragging a little bit onto my bottom lash line, and then popping some under my brow too. I use my finger because it just like blends the concealer into the shadow that's already there pretty good. And I'm not too worried if there's like some that gets out otherwhere, because that's why I didn't do my foundation yet. So we're gonna cover it up anyways. I applaud people that can do these kind of looks with doing their foundation first, because that takes some serious skill. So I am using a new mascara today. So this is the Bad Gal Bang from Benefit that just launched. I used it on this side and it looked really good. It's really nice on your lower lashes. So the brush is kind of different, which I kind of like, because a lot of volumizing mascaras have like really fluffy brushes, which is all good and everything, but they always are so hard to put on your bottom lashes. So okay, so I'm gonna put these lashes on real quick. Okay, and the eyes are done finally. And that is my finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed how I did this. Definitely like a pretty extra look. Definitely check out my other video too that I have on the foundation part. And like my first impression on the Tarte Shape Tape foundation that just launched. So that'll be up probably the day after this video's up, which this should be up Sunday, and then the Tarte Shape Tape should be up Monday. Definitely remember to like and subscribe down below. I appreciate the love. Definitely will have more tutorials up for you soon enough. So thanks for watching. Bye guys.